The hash rate of BTC mining pools has reached an almost absurd level. Ordinary players no longer feel much involvement in mining. Now, there is a machine that allows you to participate with low cost and low noise. Every 10 minutes, there is a chance to win BTC. Calculated annually, this translates to approximately 52,560 opportunities. You could win 3.125 BTC exclusively. This machine's hash rate is 1.2 terahashes per second. Let's calculate. If mining Bitcoin solo, the annual probability of winning the 3.125 BTC alone is 1 in 13,503. If you switch to Bitcoin Cash, let's recalculate. The probability skyrockets to 1 in 47 annually. Is this risk-reward ratio acceptable to you? Even a 200 terahashes can't make it into the top 10. Miners easily exceed 5,000 watts. But this machine's official power consumption is only 17 watts, compared to the LV08 150 watts and Nano 3S's 140 watts. It consumes roughly 1/10 the power. If you want to mine at home or in the office and experience the fun of mining, or if you're a beginner or just want a small gadget, the lottery machine is an excellent choice. Its power consumption is essentially equivalent to a light bulb. This machine is the Bitaxe Gamma 601. We released videos on the Nano 3S and LV08. Interested viewers can check them out. The Bitaxe Gamma 601 is highly customizable. I've seen on YouTube some KOL overclocking it to around 2 terahashes per second. On GitHub, the Bitaxe Gamma 601 is open source, including all their products' firmware and hardware, such as circuit boards and code. For those skilled in DIY, you can fully modify it. If you're a GitHub expert, you can share your modifications on GitHub. When we received the machine, there was a main unit, a standard 5-volt 6-ampere power cable, and a user manual. Let's check the net weight of the machine. Only 0.136 kilograms, including the power supply. It's still just 0.4 kilograms, an extremely lightweight machine. Its size is ultra compact, shorter than a stabilizer. The power supply uses a 5-volt connector. The center is printed with Bitaxe Gamma 601, a bold logo. All cables and ports are exposed, making it a fully open-source tinkerer's toy. This design hits all the right notes for me. Is there anyone else like me who thinks watching an exposed circuit board in operation is just cool? If you don't like the fan's appearance, or its power is insufficient, you can buy a replacement fan online. Installation is straightforward. The standard fan size is 5 volt, 40 by 40 millimeters. It should support RGB fans, though I haven't seen any RGB-equipped mining machines yet. The mining rig bracket can be replaced anytime. You can 3D print a custom casing. Connecting the machine is very simple. After powering it on, wait a moment, then search for Wi-Fi networks on your phone. Look for a Wi-Fi name starting with Bitaxe. Click to connect. The setup page should automatically load. If your phone, like mine, fails to redirect to the interface, use a computer to connect via Wi-Fi. Find the Bitaxe Wi-Fi network. Click to connect. If redirection fails, go to the Wi-Fi settings. Click Properties. Scroll down. Find the IPv4 address and enter it into your browser. Then click Network. Enter your Wi-Fi name and password. Click Save and restart the machine. Once the screen shows connected to your Wi-Fi, the setup is complete. Ensure your computer or phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as the Bitaxe Gamma 601. Enter the machine's IP address in your browser to access its control panel. For convenience, I'll use a computer for setup. If you prefer using a phone, the steps are identical. After restart, go to Settings. To configure your mining pool, using ViaBTC as an example, here's how to connect. Log into ViaBTC. Click the top right user icon, Account Management. If you have sub-accounts, select the desired one. Click the Account Management, and you'll see ViaBTC's pool address. Copy this address into the Bitaxe's control panel. Paste the address, removing any prefixage. Enter the port number in the second field. Remove any suffixes after the port. For the username, go to Worker in ViaBTC. Copy the worker name into the Bitaxe's username field. The default 001 can be renamed. The password can be any random text. For the backup pool, return to ViaBTC. Select the second or third port. Repeat the same steps to copy the address. Remember to remove prefixage after pasting. Enter the port number 25. Remove any suffixes. Copy the username as before. The password can be any random text. For frequency and voltage settings, select the default previous gear option. The default previous gear. To prevent overheating, click Save and Restart. Wait about 10 minutes, then return to ViaBTC. If Bitcoin's hash rate is too high and solo mining is too difficult, switch to Bitcoin Cash or eCash, which use the same algorithm. Now, go to the top right, Account Management. Click your account name, and you will see your hash rate displayed. Connection is successful. Click Mining Settings. If your mining mode isn't solo, click Change to switch to solo mode. ViaBTC allows only one mode change every 24 hours. Return to the main panel. Scroll down to Add Address, and enter your wallet address. The Bitaxe Gamma 601 pool setup is complete. If you're interested in purchasing a Bitaxe Gamma 601, visit our Woyo official website or join our TG group for coupons. Join our TG group to get daily updates on mining hardware and industry news. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and see you next time.